Hey guys, Leon here from TV, and yes, the rumors are true. The battery giant Energizer is launching a smartphone with an 18,000 mAh battery. It's called the Energizer Power Max P18K Pop, and it's probably 3 times thicker than your average smartphone. Now you would think that it is just a brick of a phone, and you're right, it's kind of like a brick. But it actually has decent specs. It has a 6.2-inch Full HD Plus IPS LCD display. It is powered by a MediaTek Helio P70 chipset with 6GB of RAM and 128GB of internal storage, which can be further expanded to another 128GB via micro SD card. It is also running on Android 9.0 Pie. And of course, it has a huge 18,000 mAh battery. Now it's a shame they couldn't include wireless charging in this, but it does support reverse charging, so it pretty much behaves like a power bank. Energizer claims that on a single charge, it should be able to last a week, and it takes about 8 hours to charge it back to full. Much like other phones this year, it has a triple camera system with a 12-megapixel main camera with face detect autofocus, a regular 5-megapixel camera, and a 2-megapixel depth sensor. And as you can see in the front, it actually has a near bezel-less design. This is because it has a motorized dual camera setup, which has a 16-megapixel main camera and a 2-megapixel depth sensor. Lastly, the fingerprint sensor is mounted onto the side right below the power button, and they couldn't fit a headphone jack into all that girth. Look at all that space. Just look at it. It's scheduled to be released in June of 2019 with an unconfirmed price tag, but rumor has it it's around 2,700 ringgit. So yeah, that's the Energizer Power Max P18K Pop. So who do you guys think this phone was aimed for? Let us know down in the comments section below, and as always, like this video if you like it, subscribe to us if you haven't already, hit the bell to get notified of our future videos, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!